Welcome to Yoruba Life TV. Today we are embarking on an incredible spiritual journey, diving into the world of Orishas. Whether you are just curious or actively seeking a deeper connection, understanding who the Orishas are is essential. So sit back, open your mind and heart, because what you are about to learn could change the way you see yourself and the divine. Let's start with the basis. Who are the Orishas? The Orishas are divine spirits originating from the Yoruba tradition, which is one of the oldest spiritual systems from West Africa. They are powerful, sacred energies that serve as messengers and intermediaries between humans and Supreme Creator, often called Olodumare or Olorun. Think of the Orishas as divine guides, each one embodying particular aspects of life, nature, virtues, and human experience. They are like celestial personalities with their own stories, symbols, and energies that influence our daily lives. Why are they important? In Yoruba spirituality, the Orishas are not just mythological figures. They are active, living forces that can protect, guide, and support us. Many people pray to their Orishas, offer sacrifices, and perform rituals to honor them. Building a relationship with your Orisha can bring clarity, strength, and blessings into your life. They are also deeply personal. The Orisha that calls to you might differ from someone else's based on your personality, experiences, and life paths. That is why understanding this powerful spirit is such an important part of spiritual awakening and self-discovery. How do Orishas manifest in our lives? You might wonder, how do I know if I have a special connection with an Orisha? Well, the Orishas communicate in many ways, through dreams, signs, symbols, natural elements, or even feelings that stir deep within your soul. Recognizing these signs is part of the spiritual journey. Learning how these divine energies are reaching out to you. The diversity of Orishas. There are many Orishas, over 100 different Orishas, each with their own unique personality and domain. Some are associated with water, others with fire or earth. Some are warriors, others are nurturers or lovers. For example, Oshun is the Orisha of love, beauty, and rivers. Shango is the Orisha of thunder and fire. Ogun is the spirit of iron, labor, and warfare. And each of these Orisha has his own stories, rituals, colors, and offerings. Learning about them helps you identify which spirit resonates most with your life and personality. Respect and connection. It is important to approach the Orishas with respect and humility. They are divine beings, powerful and deserving of reverence. Building a relationship with your Orisha involves prayer, offerings, and understanding their stories and attributes. So, as you begin your journey, remember the Orishas are here to help us grow, protect us, and guide us on our paths. They are divine energies that mirror our inner strengths and struggles. By understanding who they are, you open the door to a deeper connection, healing, and enlightenment. If you are ready to explore more about how to recognize your Orisha and connect with them, stay tuned. In the next videos, we will explore signs that an Orisha is calling you and how to develop that special relationship. Thank you for watching. Remember, Your path is unique, and the divine is always reaching out. Are you listening? Bye for now.